tradition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls.
What up, y'all, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. Today we are whipping up an amazing recipe, never been done before. One of my favorite shows growing up was Family Matters. And you know the star of the show? Ooh, he did that a lot. It actually doesn't feel as good. Actually, that kind of stung. Hurt my nipple a little bit, yeah. Okay, one of my favorite shows growing up was Family Matters with the star of the show, Steve Urkel, or Stefan Urkel. And one thing I liked about Stefan is that he was always trying to transform things into other things, whether he was teleporting himself or transforming this nerdy self into a... How would you describe Stefan Urkel? Tall, dark, and handsome. Something you've probably seen before. You jerk. Sorry. You jerk. Today I'm going to take up that same challenge and I'm going to transform a regular burger into one of the most epic Cajun burgers you have never had. We're making a shrimp and crab burger. Never seen it before, and I'm telling you, you are going to love this recipe. It is so darn good. All right, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves for this amazing recipe, then let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is prep our shrimp and crab burger. So first we're going to add in our raw peeled and deveined shrimp. And then I'm going to save these about 4 or 5 shrimp. We're going to chop this into chunks and then add this into the batter. We're going to pop the top, pulse blend it, and it does a pretty good job. And then we're going to add in the shrimp batter right in here. Then go clean this out because we're going to use this again to make our sauce. For these burgers, we're also going to add in some crab. Cajun cooking is known for lots of flavor. We're going to add in some bell pepper, but not the whole thing. And we're going to finely dice just part of the bell pepper. Now, bell pepper has a lot of water, so here's my trick before adding them to burgers. I just like to palm it, and see that? It just takes off some of that excess water, just like that. I'm going to get some fresh parsley from the studio garden, but store-bought's fine too. I love saying that. In goes our chopped parsley. And then we're gonna take our last bit of shrimp. And again, I just like to do this just because people can see, oh, this is a shrimp burger. All right, now let's add in more personality. We're gonna add in the FitCook Cajun seasoning. Check out the website for a swap if you don't have the FitCook Southern Creole Cajun blend. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Lots and lots of flavor. Add in some panko, some breadcrumbs. Now grab your spatula, fold everything and mix everything together. And you want to fold more than mash the ingredients together. All right, so I like to grab an ice cream scoop. You can keep everything uniform that way. And you may need to wet your hands a little bit or put some oil on them and just massage it around. And you see the way it sticks together without any egg. Next, we're gonna fire up a nonstick skillet. We're gonna put it on medium heat. Now, we don't want it too hot because seafood cooks really fast and we don't want the burgers to burn. Gonna grab one of our shrimp patties, making sure that it's cooked all the way through. And I like to pick mine up after both sides are cooked. Just go along the edges, get a nice sear. And then I'm gonna take these patties, put them in the oven. We're gonna bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes at 400. So we're gonna make a Cajun remoulade. The internet will let us know if I'm mispronouncing it. Remoulade, yeah. But we're gonna make a reduced calorie version of it. First, you're gonna take some fresh parsley, this in there. Got some capers. I put that whole thing in there with the juice. Some garlic cloves, some green onion. I'm gonna add in the part with the white as well. Some more of the FitCook Southern Creole blend. Then some Greek yogurt. And then we're gonna use some olive oil mayo. Olive oil mayo has about 50% of the calories of regular mayo. We're gonna pop the top. And we're gonna pulse blend this. Take the ingredients, dump them into a bowl. Okay, do you want some heat? We do want the heat. Gonna add in a few tablespoons of a few drops rather. Don't put tablespoons of Tabasco in there. We're gonna liven this up to a little bit too much. Gonna add in some stone ground mustard, a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna add in some lemon zest, And then we're gonna squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Hit it with some black pepper and stir this up. Oh man, how good do these look and smell? Now let's build our Cajun shrimp and crab burger. And take a little bit of our Cajun remoulade, add in some fresh lettuce, add in our burger, gonna add in some remoulade right here on top, tomato, some onion, and one final dollop of our remoulade. And I know what you're probably thinking, you're probably like, Kev, what about if we don't eat carbs? I got you. Roast up some vegetables, season them up with some of the FitMenCook land seasoning, and take our patty, put it right there on top. That delicious low-calorie remoulade. Here's our low-calorie Cajun shrimp crab burger, and our delicious, look at this bad boy. Oh, yeah, Cajun shrimp crab burger. Oh my God, I can't wait. Let's just break one open.
You sure you want yours?
Are you sure you want yours?
Of course I do. You can't hold out on me.
This may be my favorite burger now. I've never had anything like this before in my entire life. Even Jesse's. It calls for a 90s dance. First off, it's just that good, but also seafood is super low calorie and high protein. It's gonna be hard to stop yourself, but you gotta stop yourself. That is it for today's video. I hope that y'all really enjoyed it. Hope you liked the theme as well. Transforming foods that you may not think about going together into a burger, but they actually do. It actually works, and it's actually really, really good. If you like videos like this, then I invite you to smash that like button below, and remember to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget that you have to ring the bell, ding, 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 so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here in the FitMenCook kitchen. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Ooh! Bye, y'all.